Welcome to the future of driving. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, the sixth generation of America's best-selling compact SUV. Completely redesigned, this RAV4 is bolder, smarter, and more electrified than ever. Whether you're a city commuter, an adventure seeker, or a family driver, this SUV has something for everyone. Buckle up as we explore its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and electrified performance over the next 30 minutes. The 2026 RAV4 introduces three distinct design themes: core, rugged, and sport. Let's start with the core design, available in LE, XLE, and limited grades. Notice the sleek, modern lines and C-shaped LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The body-colored grille and sharp, angular lines scream sophistication. For those craving adventure, the rugged design, embodied by the Woodland grade, brings off-road swagger. With its higher ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and bold accents, it's ready for the trails. And for the thrill-seekers, the sport design, featuring XSE, and the exclusive GR Sport PHEV, delivers a dynamic look with aerodynamic styling and input from Toyota Gazoo Racing. This is the first GR Sport RAV4 in the US, blending performance with electrified efficiency. Every RAV4 boasts a refined exterior, with dimensions similar to its predecessor but enhanced rigidity thanks to the updated GAK platform. It's a perfect balance of style and strength. The 2026 RAV4 is fully electrified, offering hybrid electric vehicle (HEV) and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV) powertrains. The HEV, available in LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and Woodland grades, pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors for up to 219 horsepower. Choose between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive for versatility. The PHEV takes it up a notch with a manufacturer-estimated 50-mile all-electric range, a 20% increase from the previous model. With a 22.7 kWh battery and 50 kW CCS fast charging, you can recharge from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. The PHEV delivers 302 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds, quicker than rivals like the Ford Kuga PHEV. The AWDI system, standard on PHEV and available on HEV, boosts traction with 30% more torque to the rear wheels. Plus, the dynamic torque vectoring AWD ensures precise handling, whether you're on a city street or a mountain pass. Step inside, and the RAV4's interior is a blend of comfort and practicality. With 490 liters of boot space, it fits 8 carry-on suitcases, matching the Honda CR-V. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, though rivals like the VW Tiguan have sliding benches for extra versatility. The driving position is commanding, with power-adjustable seats and lumbar support. The GR Sport trim even adds memory settings for personalized comfort. Chunky dashboard controls make operation intuitive, unlike some rivals that rely heavily on touchscreens. Practicality shines with underfloor storage for charging cables and a near-flat load area when the rear seats are folded. Whether it's groceries or camping gear, the RAV4 has you covered. The 2026 RAV4 debuts Toyota's Arene software platform, a game-changer for software-defined vehicles. This innovative system integrates everything from seats to safety features, ensuring seamless updates and customization. The updated Toyota Audio Multimedia system supports integrated streaming for Apple Music and Amazon Music, with over 100 million songs at your fingertips. Connect via the Toyota app for remote vehicle control, standard on all trims. Tech lovers will appreciate the available FitCamX dash cam, recording into 16 testing for clarity. With a 2160p 30 fps resolution and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily share footage to your phone. For entertainment, the Entune system lets you play DVDs when parked, perfect for a drive-in movie night. Just ensure the parking brake is on for safety. Safety is paramount with the updated Toyota Safety Sense suite, standard across all trims. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition keep you secure. Higher trims like the Gia Sport add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for extra peace of mind. The RAV4's 5-star safety ratings from NHTSA and IIHS prove its reliability. The dashboard's sophisticated warning system, like the Master Warning Light and Buzzer, alerts you to check the multi-information display for any issues, ensuring you stay informed. I'm behind the wheel of the RAV4 PHEV, and it's impressively smooth in electric mode around town. The CVT gearbox can be a bit noisy under hard acceleration, but the 302 horsepower makes merging onto highways a breeze. On this trail, the Woodlands AWDI system and all-terrain tires shine, offering confident grip. The suspension handles bumps better than the Ford Kuga PHEV, though it's less settled at high speeds compared to a VW Tiguan. Whether it's the Core's elegance, the Woodlands ruggedness, or the Gia Sport's performance, the RAV4 adapts to your lifestyle. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is more than an SUV, it's a versatile companion for every journey. With its electrified powertrains, bold designs, and cutting-edge tech, it's ready to redefine the compact SUV market. Starting at around $30,245 for the HEV and higher for the PHEV, it's a compelling choice against rivals like the Honda CR-V and VW Tiguan. Visit your local Toyota dealer or toyota.com to learn more and schedule a test drive. Toyota RAV4, where adventure meets innovation. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the road.